Hey guys, welcome back to Michio Makes. My name's Michio, and I like to make stuff. Today we're checking out the Playdate booth over here at PAX West 2019. It's a little loud in here, so just to kind of warn you, I'll do my best to keep the audio as good as possible, but we'll see what I can grab. But this is a really cool, inventive handheld that's going to be coming out in 2020. I'm really looking forward to it. It's got a really cool screen, but also has a really inventive hand crank on the side of the console. It was partnered with Teenage Engineering in the development. So it's a really cool, I think, inventive handheld system, and I'm a pretty big handheld guy myself. So let's jump in line and take a look at it. Welcome back. I just want to show you a first view of this new, really cool machine called the Playdate made through Panic. It's actually a really cool handheld device. It's actually really small. You can see it's around 3 inches by 3 inches. Got a hand crank too as well. It's a brand new system today, coming in 2020. It's got a really cool back screen. Now this is actually not backlit, so you have to kind of keep that in mind. So this is a demo that they have, a demo unit. You can see that it says there on the back too as well.
Where'd the pig come from?
For evaluation only. But we're gonna try this game. It's really cool. This is really inventive because it's got a crank on it, A, B, and a directional button, but also the crank. The crank does hide away on the support right here too as well. On/off button and a switch. So let's go try it.
I didn't even realize that he was.
Alright, so this is the guy right here.
I thought he was just running out of breath.
Crank to start.
When am I gonna get past the pig?
Meet a date at 3 o'clock. Drop him in. Now here's the cool, really cool, is that you can reverse. Back, reverse. And you actually have to use that feature a lot to make sure that you meet your date. So crank, crank, crank. You see I am late. But I'm cranking, and what does she do? She's cool. Oh man, second date. Meet at 3:30 or 3 o'clock again. Crank, crank, crank.
Oh no.
Oh, look at this nice sauce. You give it a sniff. And here's what's really cool. Second date. Oh, I'm late again.
Yeah.
Alright. Again, this is just a feature, and if you want, you can even reverse back, which is really cool. But this is where actually the gameplay feature comes in. It's kind of just showing you how to work it. Crank, crank, crank. Smell the flower. And there's a bug. If you get hit by that, it kind of ends the game. So you have to go back, smell the flower, and to kind of duck yourself down so that the butterfly can go by. And then as the butterfly passes, you can keep going, meet your date, and then she's still pissed off at you. You get scolded, and there's that. Alright, so I have to admit I did play this yesterday, but I wanted to show it to you, so I'm like a complete noob. Fourth date, meet at 3 o'clock. Passed out, 3 o'clock right now. Oh my god, I'm late. Run. Smell the flower again. Okay. Oh! See, that guy was a little faster, and got reset again. So I'm on a third date again. Another flower, got dug, but I have to back up. Back around again. I have to wait for him. There you go, and now I can crank to the next one. Now, this is actually really hard. You have to. There you go. And now I'm done. There she is. Still late again. Fifth date, meet at 3 o'clock. So it's really feature driven. Hurdles I gotta get over. Oh, see, again, I could adjust it, but I got hit regardless with the butterfly. Alright, jump. Where is it? There it is. Oh, see, just a little bit. I got hit. Oh man, I totally screwed that up. I gotta time it. That's three hurdles. And this is where it becomes challenging, right?
Daddy.
What up?
Can Jonah and James go do something?
What?
Can they go do something? Because I
Man.
want to do this.
All right, let's see. Try it again. What's really cool is that this crank does come out like this too. It's for storage too, so you can put it away like this. So when you're not using it, it's just out of the way. Okay, fourth one. There it is. Okay, great. I'm over it. This one. Oh, see, look at just a little bit. I got hit. So I have to go try it again. So this, one major criticism I have of this system is $150. It's a lot for something that's really, really small. One major criticism I have too is the backlight, because you can't really play this in super low light conditions, which is a little frustrating, but still, not too bad. I don't know what's going on here. It's like I'm kind of stuck. So again, this is a beta demo system, so I'm surprised it's going to crash right now. It shouldn't have crashed. But while we're waiting on the time, because there's a time for the demo, start cranking on there. Let's take a look and see some features as a whole. It's actually a really sleek system. It feels pretty like it's got metal too. Well, it's designed in conjunction with the guys who did Teenage Engineering, and Teenage Engineering guys who did the pocket operators and the OP1, OPZ2 as well. So there is a possibility of integration with the pocket operator system. They are going to actually be releasing this with games, and then every, I believe, month or so, or maybe even season that they put out, there's going to be free games that get updated with this system, which is actually really cool. So $150 is pretty expensive, but they are giving you free games, and you're going to be releasing APKs so you can actually put and make your own games for the system itself. It's actually really compact, as you can see. Here's my hand. I'm not exactly I'm probably average sized guy, but it actually fits really, really well. In regards to a comparison of like let's say Game Boy Micro, let me grab mine real quick. This is a Game Boy Micro, my Game Boy Micro that I have. In comparison, it is a lot smaller in comparison, but also quite a bit significantly thinner too as well. Battery life in these systems is actually really important too as well. So from what I can tell, it's got a weeks long battery charge. It is rechargeable in here. I don't know if this is USB-C or USB. Oh yeah, USB-C. It's got an earphone jack too as well. But it's very simplistic, very, very cool and innovative. And I know they have a lot of people going to be developing games for this system too as well. So again, my criticisms don't necessarily outweigh the pros. I think it's really cool. I definitely want to pick one up. This is not going to be coming out until about 2020. They said they might be taking pre-orders around into 2019, but I'm definitely going to be trying to get on that too as well to kind of give you the first look at it. One major thing that you have to consider is the crank itself. I'm really concerned that it might break off or rough handling. There is a storage port for it, but it's something that I definitely want to keep in mind too as well. So thanks a lot for taking a look at this video overview of the play date. I'm going to still want to pick one of these up, but this is a really cool system. You guys should check it out and evaluate too. This is Micho Makes here at PAX West 2019. And thanks a lot. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Actually, I'm going to be giving away one of these stickers too. This is a play date sticker. It's almost like a one-to-one sticker that they're giving out here too as well. So if you definitely want to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, I'll be picking somebody from the comments to send one of these stickers too as well. So thanks very much for joining me, guys. Again, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.